In today's video, I'm going to teach you Asana free plan, how to maximize its features, 5 minutes. Let's get you moving quickly. First, log into Asana and head to your workspace. If you're brand new, don't worry. Everything we cover works on the free plan and helps you stay organized without overwhelm. Start by creating projects for your major areas of work, like marketing, operations, or personal planning. Inside each project, break work down into tasks and subtasks for granular control. Clear names, concise descriptions, and realistic due dates make these tasks actionable and easy to track. Next, choose the view that matches your style. Use List View when you want a straightforward, spreadsheet-like checklist. Switch to Board View for a Kanban flow that's great for moving work through stages. Calendar View is perfect for seeing time-sensitive tasks at a glance. You can switch views anytime to fit the moment. Within your project, organize tasks into logical groups such as to do, in progress, and done, or match them to your specific workflow stages. Keeping these sections tight and purposeful makes it obvious what needs attention right now. Take advantage of basic rules to automate simple actions. For example, when a task is moved to a snooze section, have Asana automatically push the due date out. This tiny bit of automation reduces manual updates and keeps timelines realistic. Don't plan by due dates alone. Add start dates so you know when to begin work, not just when to finish. This spreads effort over time and prevents last-minute rushes. If you run the same process repeatedly, save it as a project template. Templates lock in your structure, sections, tasks, subtasks, and key settings, so every run is consistent and fast to set up. Connect Asana to tools you already use, like Google Workspace, Slack, or Microsoft 365. These integrations streamline handoffs, reduce context switching, and help you capture tasks from messages or emails. Use custom fields to track what matters to you. Priority, effort, or status are great starters. Consistent field values make it easy to filter and report later. Speaking of focus, use filters and sorting to show only what matters, like incomplete tasks due this week, and sort by priority or custom fields to surface the most important work first. Collaborate effectively by working transparently inside tasks and projects. Keep files, updates, and decisions in one place so nothing gets lost. Use Asana messages when you need a discussion tied to a task or project. This keeps conversations contextual and easy to revisit. Check activity logs to review history and changes, then share status updates to communicate progress to your team and stakeholders with confidence. Follow these steps and you'll get the most out of Asana's free plan with clarity, speed, and consistency.